Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to my dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start English Day 2, book page number 1818, workbook page number 2323. Now take out your English reading book and turn page number 1818. Look and say which letter? Capital N, small n. N says N. N says N. N, net. N, newspaper. N, nail. N, nose. N, nest. N, nail clipper. Do you know nail clipper is used to cut your nails? Now look at the lower part. Which animals live in nest? Birds live in nest. Tick the birds. Now practice writing N, capital N and small n. Join the dot one by one and write capital N and small n. N says N. Now take out your English workbook and turn page number 2323. Today I will tell you how to write letter N. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will tell you Nabil's daily routine. Look at the picture. Who is sitting on the chair? Nabil. Nabil takes care of his health. Good, and keeps himself clean. He takes bath daily. He keeps his nose clean. Look at the picture. Good. He trims his nails with the nail clipper on every Friday. We should also trim our nails on every Friday. He always keeps a napkin with him while eating. Good. He always keeps a napkin while eating. Okay. Which hand do you use for eating? Right or left? Right. Tick here. Now I will tell you how to write letter N. Trace and write letter N. Hold your pencils. Join the dot one by one. Like this, okay? What is the sound of N? N says N. N says N. Okay, now look at here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. We will write N in these two middle lines. Okay, hold your pencils. Firstly, make a straight standing line in these two middle lines. Okay, then make a upward slanting line till second line. Then curve. Make a straight standing line and curve it. Which letter? N. N sound is N. N, nose. Touch your nose. N, nose. Straight standing line, these two middle line, then upward slanting line till second line, then curve and make a straight standing line and curve it. Which letter? N. N sound is N. N, nose. N, nail. N, nail clipper. N, napkin. And N, Nabil. Okay, follow this pattern. Now we are going to start Maths Day 2, workbook page number 2525. Take out your Maths workbook and turn page number 2525. 1 out. Time 4 point. Caterpillar, how many spots? 4 spot, and crossing 1 makes 3 spot. Cross 1 spot. Caterpillar, how many spots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 spots and crossing 1 makes 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spots. Now look at here. Firstly we will write 4 How many spots in caterpillar? 1 2 3 4. 4 minus mean is
2.
Minus mean is crossing out. Cross 1 1 2 3. There are 3 spots are left. We will write 3 in the box. Next, how many spots here? 1 2 3 4 5. We will write 5 here. And minus mean cross 1 spot. Cross 1. There are 1 2 3 4. 4 spots are left. We will write 4 here. Okay, follow this pattern and complete your work.
Now we are going to start our Urdu work. Day 2, book page number 38 to 40, workbook page number 34 and 35. अपना उर्दू कायदा खोलें. पेज नंबर 38. हे हा हार, हे हा हाथी, हे हा हाथ. हे हा हार, हे हा हाथी, हे हा हाथ. अच्छा बच्चों देखिए, गले में क्या पहना जाता है? तेता ताला या हे हा हार. हे हा हार. टर्न योर पेज. पेज नंबर 39. हमजा. हमजा अ जायका, हमजा अ डायरी. ओके, देखिए बच्चों, किसका जायका मीठा होता है? रसगुल्ले का या करेले का? रसगुल्ले का. रसगुल्ले पे टिक का निशान लगाएं. के नाउ टर्न योर पेज. सफ़ा नंबर 40. ये या यक्का, ये या यखनी. अगेन ये या यक्का, ये या यखनी. यखनी किससे बनाई जाती है? सीनसा सेब से या गाफगा गोश्त से? गाफगा गोश्त से. गोश्त पर टिक का निशान लगाएं. Okay, now take out your Urdu workbook, page number 34 and 35.
Now open the page number 3 4 34. 3 4 34. Today work is शनाख्त करें और रंग भरें. शनाख्त करें और रंग भरें. Today letter is बड़ी है. Like this. Firstly make trace it. Make slanty line, then round, then make slipping line. ये बड़ी ये साउंड इज ये या यखनी, ये या यखनी, ये या योयो, ये या योयो, ये या यक्का, ये या यक्का. नाउ फर्स्टली मेक आउटलाइन यखनी लाइक दिस. Firstly make dark outline, neat and clean like this. Now fill the color inside this picture like this. Make a now complete the color. Read with me. ये या यखनी, ये या योयो, ये या यक्का, ये या यक्का. Open the next page. 3 5 35. 3 5 35. Firstly trace ये like this. Make a slanting line, then round, then make slipping line like this. ये. Firstly trace on it like this. ये. Now complete this line like this. ये या यक्का, ये या यक्का. Next write in one dot like this. Make a slanting line, then round, then make slipping line like this. make a slanty line, then round, then make sloping line. ये. Now complete this line. Now complete this page.
ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आपका काम अब ख़त्म हो जाता है। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। अल्लाह हाफिज़।